Hey Brushy Creek Dentistry, my name is Eddy with Lionnet Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses in order to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is, well, they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it all by yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You guys need to at least have 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And how their bots work is your main page, the main page that Google will send all your customers to, needs to at least have 1,500 words. When I actually look up how many words you guys have, I use a free tool called SEO Quake. I can go into page info and actually brings me up all the info you can scour on your main page. We look it up and you guys only have about 526 words. Now your competition, or one of your competitors, top competitors, if we do the same thing, go into the tool, go into page info, and we scroll down, their total number word count is 2,300 words. Now again, you don't need to add 2,300 words or even 3,000 words. You can actually add 1,500 words to 2,000 words, and that will automatically start ranking you guys better and hopefully start getting you guys to the first page of Google. And again, you can do the same thing. You can go in and use this free tool, and you can actually go after all these keywords that they are ranking for and put them into your own website and start ranking a little better for that. The next thing I want to go over is actually a thing we call citations, aka netbacks. So on these results, we can see the business's name, address, and phone number, basically, aka NAPs. Now, when I search up Dentist, Austin, Texas, and I scroll down, this is what it brings up to me. This is what citations get you. So you're asking, hey, how do I get up to the maps, or how do I say ranking better maps? Well, there's actually another tool that we use, and it's called Whitesparks. And what you could do is you can look up not only your website, but your competitor's website, go in and take a look at how many citations they have. You can actually go over every single citations. By the look of it, you guys have about 6 citations. Another top competitor that you guys have is actually ranking for about 10 citations. So in order to beat your competition hand on hand, you guys would want about, I want to say 100 to 200 to beat them out of the water in terms of ranking your Google Map packs. So that's another thing, and basically all you got to do is just go in and you grab all the map packs that they're actually ranking for, you sign up for them, and you're able to start converting a little better on that end. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, this is the most important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. You can see when we search up, and we use not a free tool, we use another tool called Ahrefs, and when we look up your guys' website, you guys have about 11 referring domains and 50 backlinks. Now, to simply put, backlinks work like this, or link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing into site B. So therefore, site A is acting more like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a ATX Family Dental linking back to you, it would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, we can go to your actual competitors' backlinks, and they have 133 referring domains, and what we could do is we could go into every single referring domain that they have. We go after every one of them in order to bring not only more to your website, but also get more backlinks from other competitors. That way you just outrank all of them. So once again, we went over content. Your main page needs to at least have 1,500 words in Google's eyes. Citations, 200 to 300 of these would beat out your competition by a landslide. and then link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, well, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddy with Lionnet Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.